Namaskar. Now let us see Jhulana Lurhakanasana, its benefits, contraindications, and what happens exactly when we do this asana. Prior learning what are the benefits of this asana, we should learn what are the contraindications, who should not do this asana. Jhulana Lurhakanasana is contraindicated to people suffering from chronic back pain or back conditions like lumbago. For chronic pain, they should avoid this asana because it involves jerky movement. People with disc conditions like disc bulge, disc prolapse, disc herniation, and also disc desiccation, which is disc degeneration. Those people should avoid doing this asana. People suffering from hernia, whether it is umbilical hernia or inguinal hernia, it is a rectal prolapse, uterine prolapse, they should avoid doing this asana because it puts a lot of pressure in the core region while doing this asana. And then commonly we tell for all asanas, surgery and injury related to neck, back condition and hip region, buttock region, they should avoid this asana till the injury is totally healed. And if someone has done any surgery in their body, they should do this asana with medical advice. Okay. Now we will go to the good part. What happens exactly when we do this asana? This asana is very easy to learn. I will teach this asana. Jhulana Lurhakanasana. When we do this asana creates a lot of pressure in our core region. It stimulates the digestive organs, it relieves gas, it aids us to get relieved from constipation. And the second thing is, it tones our nervous system. After doing this asana, we feel our nerves rejuvenated. It relieves pain related to this back, hip and buttock region. And also, it massages the sides of the spinal column. As we regarding the spine and the muscles near the spine, the pressure what we put in that region is very, very important. If a massager gives more pressure in that region, it may create a lot of problem, lot of disturbance in our body. But this Jhulana Lurhakanasana is a very, very safe, and our yogis has given this method. In this Jhulana Lurhakanasana, we use our own body weight to massage these regions of our body. We can enjoy this process. Let's learn this process in practical video. Thank you. This is starting pose for Jhulana Lurhakanasana. From here, inhale and raise both the legs till 45 degrees and take Pavana Muktasana. So this is Pavana Muktasana. From here we do this Jhulana Lurhakanasana. From here we have to do to and fro motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we should feel our body and do this. And then sideways movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after completing, we can again come to the starting pose. Slowly release the pose and rest in Savasana. This is a very relaxing practice for our back. It's like a self massage. Thank you. We'll meet in the next asanas.